We have another question at Apex Biology. It says, draw and label bones of the four limbs and name their joints. Very easy. The first thing we do, we identify the bones. One of them comes like this. You can just take it this way. This is the bone that comes that way. Okay. Comes like this. It has a cavity like that. Okay. Has a place like this. And then we have another one that enters here like that and goes this way. Okay. You see that? And this one came like this. Very easy to identify the bones of the forelimb. That is it. And then we have the ones that form the bones of the wrist, like that. Then we have the ones that form the bones of the hand, okay, like that. And then we have the ones that form the digits, like that, okay, the 5 digits. Very interesting. And then we have this as the completed diagram. So we call it diagram bones, all right, bones of forelimb, right? In labeling, do not forget that this area here, like this, okay, this is the head, this is the shaft, right? Or let's just, since they say we should identify the bones, just come here, just because the question, identify the bones, not the label of the parts of the bones. Let's identify the bones. Sorry for that mistake. Come here. This bone is called humerus, right? This one is called radius. This one is called ulna, right? Then this one is called carpal. This one here are called metacarpal. And then these ones are called phalanges. So if you look at it, these carpal are the wrist bones. These ones are the hand bones. These are the digits. Okay? And they said we should also name their joints. So this joint here, this joint is called hinge joint. That is what is formed here. This is a hinge joint. Then this joint here like that, the joint is called gliding or sliding joint. Why the joint around this area between the shoulder blade, that one is called the ball and socket joint. But for simplicity, that's our diagram. Enjoy learning at Biology. Have a great day.